Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix this effect doesn't work with your device on your TikTok. Many of us, for example, go into TikTok and search for certain effects, but when he comes to certain effects, he's surprised with a message. He said that this effect doesn't work with your device. So in this video I'll show you how to fix this problem. For example, when you go to TikTok app like this and open it, say you open the TikTok app like this, then for example, what you're gonna do next, you click on this plus icon like this. Then for example, you want to record a video. Now as you see at the left of your screen, it says effects. Now for example, you want to choose an effect to add it to your videos. As you say, you go to your effects here. Then you want, for example, search for certain effects. Go to search icon. Then search for certain effects, for example, any effects you want. For example, this effect. Then when you choose this effect, it says to you it's not compatible. It's not work with your device. How to fix this problem? What you're gonna do? You go out from there. Go out from there. First thing you want to do to fix this problem, go to your profile down here, click on it like this, then click on the three lines at the top right, then click on settings and privacy, then here go down until you find data saver, or sorry, choose report problem like this. What you're gonna do next, you go down until you find submit report, click on it. Then here what you're gonna do, you will explain to TikTok team support your problem. I will write a message here in this box and I will back to you. As we see here, we write our message. Our message is like that: Hi TikTok team support. When I search or select certain effects, I receive notification said that this effect doesn't work with your device. Please help me to fix this problem. Sorry. To fix to fix this issue very soon, if you want to add very soon, thanks team TikTok at the end. Then you can add also pictures from your problem place, and also you can add a video explain to TikTok how does work your problem. Then what at the end, click on submit like this, and this message will go to team support of TikTok. Then it will reply to you in 48 hours or 24 hours. You will receive a notification from support team of TikTok. If this problem not solved yet, when you for example go to TikTok and search for certain effects and receive the notification again, said to you this problem doesn't this effect doesn't work, what I promise to you to do is go to your TikTok app and update it. Go to Play Store, search for TikTok and update your app. Click on update and wait until the updating finish. The second or the third solution is by uninstall the app completely from your phone. Delete all the app, uninstall the app and install it again. So this is how to fix this problem. I hope I hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching. See you next time.